tech tip time. As you all know, taking the wheels off of a BMW or a Mercedes or a Volvo, they all have these style lug nuts. Okay, there's no stud there. See? So what I do is whenever you do an inner tie rod end, I cut it. See? When 90, I think it's 14 by 150 is what the thread pitch is of an inner tie rod end on most vehicles. So I cut it and I leave the little adjuster part on there. And I take that and you thread that in there like that. So when you take the rest of your lug nuts off, the wheel won't fall to the ground. And then you can leave these on, and when you go put the wheel on, it's easier to line up the rest of them. Because there's no centering pin on it. There's no lug studs, and there's no centering pin. So an inner tie rod end, old one, cut it, and you got yourself a lineup lug stud. There's your tech tip for today.